right, you're in Canvas and you want to start a new course. Usually when you log into Canvas, you see your dashboard here. It's all your classes. What you want to do is you want to go to Courses. And then usually what I like to do is I like to go all the way down here to All Courses. And then you'll get a list of all of your courses that you have. I'm enrolled in like a zillion. All you have to do right here is just click this plus sign that says Add a New Course. You can create the course, name it whatever you want. This one might be for a club. You can choose how you would like it licensed. You know, whatever you would like, Creative Commons or public domain. Keep it private if you want. I mean, it's up to you. Create the course. And then there's your course. Completely blank shell. Of course, it's unpublished. You'll have to publish it in order for students to see it. And then once you've created it all that you want, you can add students. You can do whatever you like. You can create modules. It's completely blank. There's nothing here. You can do what you would normally do with any of your other courses. Import modules, whatever you would like.